Dual diagnosis is when a person has both a mental health and substance use disorder. A dual diagnosis is also called having co-occurring disorders. According to the National Survey on Drug Use and Health, an estimated 19.4 million American adults in 2021 were diagnosed with co-occurring disorders. It occurs the most often in young adults aged 18 to 25. Common mental health disorders that can co-occur with addiction include depression, anxiety, grief, and borderline personality disorder. In addition, post-traumatic stress disorder, eating disorders, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder. Only a mental health professional can diagnose a mental health or substance use disorder. Knowing the common symptoms of co-occurring disorders may help you recognize if you need help. Signs of having co-occurring disorders include sudden behavior changes, difficulty managing daily tasks, changes in personality or mood, and neglecting health and hygiene. Also, poor performance in work or school, engaging in risky behaviors, loss of control over substance use, and developing high tolerance to a substance. Finally, feeling the need to use the substance to function normally, and experiencing withdrawal symptoms. Dual diagnosis rehab treats substance use disorder and mental health conditions at the same time. You will receive addiction treatment to stop using drugs or alcohol, and therapy to cope with mental health disorder. You'll work with a therapist to understand how co-occurring disorders are connected, and address the roots of addiction and the causes of mental health disorder. You'll learn coping mechanisms for mental health conditions, and identify and avoid triggers associated with relapse. You'll build a solid relapse prevention plan, and find your motivation for engaging in treatment. Lastly, you'll get a prescribed medication to treat mental health disorders like depression, and attend support groups like a 12-step program or Smart Recovery. A comprehensive treatment that addresses both issues is essential to have the best outcomes for patients with co-occurring disorders. Dual diagnosis helps patients stop drug or alcohol use, cope with their mental health symptoms, and build a solid path to recovery. If you or a loved one is struggling with addiction and mental health disorders and looking to treat them at the same time, the Recovery Village can help. Our trusted, evidence-based dual diagnosis care can help you overcome addiction and find relief from mental health symptoms. Contact our recovery advocates today at 855-239-9898 and get your life back.